Just what the SHIB is going on, man? 1 minute Shiba Inu's dead, the next minute Shiba's launching a stablecoin, bringing life back into this meme coin. So what exactly are we supposed to believe? Are meme coins dead and dusted, or are they still pretty gosh darn relevant? Why do meme coins like SHIB keep attracting investor money? SHIB has jumped back up in the charts recently, and so everybody wants to know what the heck is going on with SHIB. Is it really dead, or is it just preparing to get ready to take over the cryptocurrency market and be the top dog of crypto? Is the SHIBening upon us? Take me, Shiba, I'm ready. All that and more in today's video. My name's Lark. I make videos talking about investing. If you do like that topic, then please consider subscribing to the channel. And of course, smash on the like button if you do think that Shiba Inu is the real Dogecoin killer. Dogecoin killer. Bad boys for life. Nah, just kidding, guys. Who's a good boy? Shiba's a good boy, that's who. And serious time. Kind of, we're gonna be a little bit silly in this video. So let's do this. Anyway, something you have to understand that separates Shiba Inu from its predecessor, Dogecoin, is that Dogecoin was actually built using the Bitcoin blockchain code and was actually made to be its own blockchain. So Dogecoin is its own blockchain. But Dogecoin is a bit limited when it comes to its ability to interact with many of the exciting new things happening in crypto, like DeFi products, for example, which have been built over the past few years. Although the upcoming Doge chain network may bring some new life into Dogecoin as well, but that's actually a story for another day. Anyway, harnessing the hearts and minds of the Dogecoin meme culture, the creation of the Shiba Inu coin on the Ethereum network allowed this dog meme loving community to be able to participate in decentralized finance. And you know what's crazy in all this is that all the previous attempts to create a meme coin didn't actually pan out super well. Oh, sure, there's been some nice gains made on dog coins over the days, some cat coins as well. But the meme coin right now at the next highest level of market cap liquidity, whatever, is actually Floki Inu, which is all the way down like in, outside of the top 350 coins. Meanwhile, Shiba's like a top 20 coin. It has remained so for a long time. And of course, Floki Inu is actually a copy of SHIB, making the second successful meme project on Ethereum a copy of the first successful one, and it hasn't actually been that damn successful. No wonder it plays a distant second fiddle to Shiba's success. Now with SHIB, we've seen all types of incredible stories of wealth creation, including what could be some of the single greatest trades in investing history. Like, people made gargantuan sums of money. There's a handful of people who maybe bought like $100 or $500, maybe $1,000, a couple $1,000s worth of SHIB back in January 2021, and then became part of the world's wealthiest individuals. Even what their SHIB is worth now after the 90% drawdown is still insane. But by the time SHIB was hitting its highs, it was 45 million% return on investment. What? But before anyone thinks this could happen now, I better go out and ape my money into SHIB, think again. Sorry to be the one to break it to you. You can just blame the laws of diminishing returns or just mathematics in general. Don't blame me, I'm just the messenger. But sorry guys, SHIB is not going to go to $1. It's just not, okay? Because math exists. And if you're expecting those kind of like 45 million% returns, then you are barking up the wrong tree. Anyway, with half of 2022 already over, obviously Shiba Inu has been no exception to the carnage that's happened in the bear market. It's down around 90% from its all-time highs at the moment. Like, basically everything. I cannot believe that dog meme coins did not end up being a good store of value. Come on, dog coins. But in these markets, we've just seen such stubborn bearishness. But in spite of that, SHIB has taken one step forward, which is why I'm making a video on it at the moment. And that brings us to what the SHIB is going on recently with the SHIB coin. You see, SHIB threw a bone to investors who have been stuck in the doghouse by their wives after investing the kids' college funds into SHIB at the top. Now, what that bone is, I'm going to be getting to here in just a moment, but before we do that, I just want to snag a quick moment of your time to let you know about Wealth Mastery. This is my weekly newsletter and crypto investor report that is going to come twice weekly to your inbox. We talk about NFTs, we talk about decentralized finance with step-by-step tutorials, no BS altcoin reviews, the latest, hottest airdrops, and much, much more. You can sign up to our value-packed newsletter for free using the link down below in the description. Let's get back into it. And before I tell you about the new big upgrades coming for SHIB and what's kind of driving a bit of renewed excitement into this big meme coin, it is important to understand that aside from a small NFT collaboration that happened not so long ago, really not that much has changed for Shiba Inu this year. It's been pretty slow. The best we got was last year when Shiba launched the Shiba Swap decentralized exchange to, fanfare the community, but everyone else didn't really care that much about it. Now, currently, this decentralized exchange is barely trading over $2 million daily in volume, which is pathetic. That's microscopic volume in the grand scheme of things. So if it's not that which is driving Shiba up further in the charts, well, what the heck is it? Well, for one, the Shiba army has been really devoted to getting their beloved SHIB coin listed on more and more exchanges. In fact, just a few weeks ago, Shiba Inu received its long-awaited listing on Bittrex. Now, this is a big deal when it comes to being able to grow the market cap of SHIB. You need to have more places where people can buy it, more availability for the coin, etc., etc. But all that growing liquidity has not stopped the anti-Shiba crowd. It's probably mostly Dogecoin bag holders, to be honest. I don't think anybody else is particularly anti-Shiba, right? Anyway, those people are insisting that nobody cares about Shiba Inu anymore. And while there's some truth to Shiba losing a bit of traction when it comes, like, for example, to search engine results, but again, it's kind of true of all crypto right now. But it is a far cry from the reality of what Shiba is doing. You see, the largest holding among Ethereum whales, Shiba Inu, making it clear that Shiba Inu is not going away anytime soon. As they say, you can't keep a good dog coin down. Now maybe we should start calling these kinds of holders dragons instead of whales, sitting up on their big piles of dog coin tokens with little concern for the price of those tokens. Factors like this are what has caused SHIB to become the largest project on Ethereum, if of course we take away stablecoins from the equation here, of course. But while new exchange listings, they're obviously nice, it's good to see, generally you want to see something more impactful happening to say, hey, there's actually something going on here. And there is. Because recently Shiba announced that it was ready to take its next step into the decentralized finance world, announcing not 1 or 2 upgrades, but actually 5 unique upgrades that are in the works for Shiba Inu. Now, the first is actually a layer 2 upgrade called Shibarium. While the time frame for this release was not known yet, this actually is something that's going to allow for microtransactions for the SHIB coin and will greatly reduce gas fees for trading SHIB on the SHIB exchange. Now, the second upgrade is a new stablecoin called SHI. Just what the market needs. I know you're thinking that. All we need was another stablecoin. Anyway, still important. Then the last announcement comes in the form of actually a new reward token called Treat. As part of Shiba Inu's WOOF paper, Treat has been a goal of the creators since the beginning of the days of SHIB, right? Now, hints from the team also suggest that these tokenomics are not going to disappoint, so Treat is going to be a real treat for good boy investors. The most loyal SHIB holders are going to get their dog treat for supporting the project. And hey, look, we can even add in some positive tokenomics here, because unlike Dogecoin, which has no maximum supply limitations, Shiba Inu actually does, and it burns around 1% of its total supply every year. So that's pretty interesting, meaning that if Shiba Inu can deliver on these upgrades, bringing the AAA game, bring in the stablecoins, they're biting off a lot here, without a doubt. But if they can do that, they can remain relevant. They can even potentially remain a top 25 crypto project for years to come. It seems that you can teach an old dog coin new tricks. Meme coins, man. Come for the lulz, stay for the stable coins and AAA games, I guess. Anyway, your question for today. Will SHIB remain the top meme coin for the space, or is Dogecoin gonna come back and take over in this dog-eat-dog market? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.